Hi, this is Becky Hutchinson, and I'm delighted to share some of my highlights from the 2013 MACUL conference. First, this conference has completely changed the way that I teach. Not only do I want to integrate technology into my instruction, I have the tools to do it. I went to many amazing sessions, but there were two that really had an immediate impact on my classroom instruction. The first was on Bloom's taxonomy and how to integrate digital tools into Bloom's taxonomy. And what Bloom's taxonomy is it allows you to scaffold the way that you teach so that you can get different levels of thought into the classroom. And it starts off with remembering, and then it goes to understanding, applying, analyzing, evaluating, creating. And then this digital pyramid gives you tools to help the students demonstrate each of those levels of thought. And one of my favorite apps from the remembering is the Ninja Words. And Ninja Words is actually really fast and easy to use. You go to the website, you type in a word like technology, and you get a quick and easy definition along with the part of speech so the kids can continue their work without being slowed down too much, especially if they're reading. Another of the tools was Glogster. And Glogster is a lot like a blog where you can just put down your thoughts, but it actually becomes a tool for the students to put down not only their thoughts, but resources they find that demonstrate their learning and understanding. For example, this one is of animal cells, and you have many different pictures of the entire cell. And then you go in, you can even put in video, and this YouTube video is actually 20 minutes long, and it goes through the whole entire cell and all of its parts. You can put in games, and then you can put in the individual cell parts, and it's just an excellent tool to demonstrate how the kids have learned throughout a unit. And we'll be using Glogster for our end of the book project when we finish reading The Outsiders. The last tool conference from this Bloom's taxonomy pyramid is Protagonize. And Protagonize is actually a writing application where the students can go in and create stories online and actually have them published. And so it gives them a more authentic place to display their work. They're not just writing a paper and to show it to me because that's what I told them to do, but it also allows them to publish it and feel like they have a more important purpose, I suppose. And so those apps really have changed the way that I teach, but the second session that I went to that really was beneficial to me is a session on screencasting. And screencasting is the tool that I'm using right now to make this presentation. I'm using an app called Explain Everything, and this app allows me to compile and compose a video, which I can post on my website, and then the students have access to it at all times. And the video itself can be made of pictures and active websites and other videos, and so it's really an amazing tool. And this is only the second screencast that I've done, but the first screencast, the second screencast, or the very first screencast I did was actually what I used to introduce the book The Outsiders, and you can, if you go to my website, you can find that screencast still posted there. And you know, it's really been an amazing experience for me. I really thoroughly have enjoyed this MACUL conference, and I really want to thank you for supporting this professional development opportunity, because it really has changed the way I teach, and it has revolutionized learning in my classroom. Thank you.